Students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 3.4, question number 2. Second question. 5 years ago Niru was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later Niru will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Niru and Sonu? So their present age they are asking. So just to make a table for better understanding, listen children, first you just take Niru and Sonu. So what and all they are talking about? They are talking about their present age. They are asking their present age and they are talking about 5 years ago. So 5 years ago, that also we should find. Then 10 years later. So 10 years later. So 10 years later. So all the three cases we are going to see now. Let us take present age of Niru is X and Sonu is Y. Let us consider. 5 years ago, they will be less 5, no? 5 years ago, Niru was X minus 5 and Sonu was Y minus 5. 5 years ago, so before 5 years, that is the meaning. So X minus 5, Y minus 5 should write. 10 years later means after 10 years. Now they are X years old. After 10 years, definitely they will be X plus 10 and Sonu will be definitely Y plus 10. These are all the three cases given in the question. With the use of this table, we can find very easily now. Here, look at the first statement. 5 years ago. So we have to take this condition. This only we are going to use now. So 5 years ago, Niru was thrice as old as Sonu. So Niru age is X minus 5. So X minus 5 is equal to thrice as old as Sonu. So thrice na 3 into Sonu age that time Y minus 5. So Y minus 5 how to take. So this is one condition given. Now let us solve this equation. So X minus 5 is equal to 3 into Y 3Y and 3 5s are 15. So bring all the variables to one side, number to another side. So X, this plus 3Y coming to this side minus 3Y. This is minus 15. This minus 5 when you are taking to this side, this will become a plus 5. So X minus 3Y is equal to minus 15 plus 5 will give you minus 10. So this is my first equation. So let's go back to the question now. Actually in our question they have given 10 years later Niru will be twice as old as Sonu. So 10 years later we have to take this condition. So 10 years later Niru will be, so Niru age will be X plus 10, that is twice as old as Sonu. So twice as old as Sonu. Sonu that time she was Y plus 10. So Y plus 10 you have to take it here. After 10 years Niru will be twice as old as Sonu. So X plus 10 you write it, and 2 into Y will be 2Y and 2 into 10 will be 20. Now bring all the variable to one side. So X minus 2Y. Here we have 20. This is a plus 10. Take it into other side minus 10. So X minus 2Y is equal to 10 we are getting. This is our second equation. Now we need to solve 1 and 2 by elimination method. So this is the first equation we are writing as it is. X minus 3Y is equal to minus 10. And my second equation, X minus 2Y is equal to 10 we are getting. Here both are plus X, it cannot be cancelled. So we have to change the symbol for the second equation. So this will become minus, this will become plus and this will become minus. So plus X and minus X will get cancelled. Minus 3Y plus 2Y will give you minus 1Y. One is minus, the another one is plus. So the sign which is changed according to that only how to do the operation. Minus 3 plus 2 will give you minus 1, which is equal to minus 10 will give you minus 20. So minus and minus will get cancelled. So Y is equal to 20 years we are getting. Now Y value we have to substitute in any one of the equation. Let us substitute in the second equation. So substitute Y value. In second equation I am going to substitute now. In the second equation, X value I don't know, keep the X as it is, minus 2Y. So minus 2 into Y place we got 20. So 20 which is equal to 10. So X minus 40 is equal to 10. So minus 40 if we take it into the other side it will become a plus 40. So X is equal to 10 plus 40. So X is equal to 50 years. So now our question. So X is nothing but Niru's age. So Niru's present age is 50 years now and Sonu's present age is 20 years now. So that is your solution. So that's all your solution children. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.